So, yung 2 times savings rule. So, kailangan daw yung doble ng salary mo, yung twice your salary must be saved at the age of 35. Siguro kung nagtrabaho ka starting ngayon 22 years old. So, dapat at 35 years old, yung doble ng salary mo o twice your salary dapat nakasave. Kung 15,000 yung sweldo mo, 15,000 yung initial salary, kailangan yung twice nun, masave na at by the age of 35 or more. Diba, kung ang sweldo mo is 20,000, so yung 40,000 dapat masave at the age of 35. So, yun yung mga savings rule at financial literacy na natututunan natin ngayon. So, kung may makikita pa tayo na hindi pa natin alam, well, maganda, no? Pag-allocate ka ng pera, yung percentage. So, yun lang po.